What is JSX? JSX, pronounced JSX, is a syntax extension for JavaScript that allows you to write HTML-like code directly in your JavaScript files. It's often referred to as JavaScript XML. JSX makes it easier to write and read React components, which are the building blocks of user interfaces in React applications. Let's compare regular HTML with JSX. On the left, we have standard HTML code with a div element containing a heading 1 and a paragraph. On the right, we have the equivalent JSX code. Notice that the structure is similar, but there are a few key differences. In JSX, class becomes class name, and we use curly braces to embed JavaScript expressions, such as title and message, within the HTML structure. One of the powerful features of JSX is the ability to embed JavaScript expressions directly within the HTML-like code. To do this, you simply wrap the JavaScript expression in curly braces. For example, you can insert a variable, perform a calculation, or use a ternary operator to conditionally render content. Here's an example. We declare a name variable with value React and a count variable with value 42. Inside the div element, we can use curly braces to display the name and perform calculations with the count. We can also use the ternary operator to display high if count is greater than 10, otherwise display low. When working with JSX, there are a few important differences to keep in mind compared to regular HTML. First, some HTML attributes have different names in JSX. For example, class becomes class name, for becomes HTML for, and tab index becomes tab index. Second, all tags in JSX must be properly closed, either with a closing tag or as self-closing tags. For example, img, input, br, and hr tags must be self-closed with a / at the end. Let's compare writing React code with and without JSX. On the left, we have a simple React component written using JSX. It's easy to read and resembles HTML. On the right, we have the equivalent code written without JSX. As you can see, it's much more verbose and harder to read. JSX makes it easier to write and understand React components. Here are some key rules to keep in mind when writing JSX. Rule number 1. JSX elements must have a single parent element. This means that you need to wrap multiple elements inside a single containing element, such as a div. Rule number 2. All tags must be properly closed, either with a closing tag or as self-closing tags. Rule number 3. Use camel case for attribute names in JSX. For example, use class name instead of class, and onClick instead of onClick. Rule number 4. JavaScript expressions must be wrapped in curly braces. JSX code cannot be directly interpreted by browsers. Therefore, it needs to be compiled into regular JavaScript code. This is typically done using a tool called Babel. First, you write JSX code with HTML-like syntax. Then, Babel transforms the JSX code into React.createElement calls, which are regular JavaScript functions. Finally, the browser executes the regular JavaScript code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.